Hi, good morning to everyone. How are you? How are you? Are you staying at home? Good, good, good. Stay at home, stay safe. Today I am going to discuss short structured tasks. Our today's topic is short structured tasks. Let us discuss. How to structure short tasks, how to frame, how to build, how to construct short, a very short structured tasks. Now we are going to know, we are going to discuss how we prepare, how we create short tasks. See, PREP framework. This is also known as PREP framework. What I am telling you is how we create, how we form short tasks. What steps we have to follow? What is the content we have to adapt? What are the techniques we have to take and follow to create short tasks? So it is an easy and effective way to give a short impromptu speech. Speech is of two categories. One is prepared speech and another one is impromptu speech. Anybody knows what is impromptu speech? Good, you are right. Impromptu means without any preparation, without giving any time. We ask any one of you to speak something about, to say something about, to give lecture on a particular aspect. This kind of method is known as speech is known as impromptu speech. It reduces the stress involved with public speaking, especially at short notice, by giving you short acrostic to follow in your head as you speak. No time. In impromptu speech, no preparation is made, no time is given, no time is given. See, in addition to giving you a pathway to follow, the letters serve as reminder cues to help you think of something to say. Okay, now based on these instructions, these methods given by us, the short talks will be created. See, these are the four essential steps what we do with PREP. We have to keep these four essential points in mind while preparing short talks. Let us discuss the four points. One is P. P means point. Point means states it. R reason expands it. E examples shows it. P point concludes it. Okay, like while keeping these things, we can prepare nice short tags. Nice and short tags. So let us clearly elaborately discuss. Okay, now what PREP? Point states it. State your case. Start by standing your main point or claim. You prepare, you start your conversation with key sentence or key point. In a short speech, it is best to focus on just one point so that you don't lose your audience. At the time of before you speak, you should know one key sentence, one key point. Okay, now please you stick on to you confine to only one point. So you can attract your audience. Your audience will attract you. I want to explain you with one example. A short speech at a party for a colleague who is leaving an organization. Now we are going to see one example. Main point is, what is the main point? We should stick to one point. As I told you that we have to stick to one point. Main point is steps departure is going to be a big loss for our organization. We will miss her tremendously. We will miss her tremendously. The key sentence is Steph's departure. Her departure will be big loss for our organization and for us also. Reasons. Reason why she is leaving the organization. Let us see reason. Steps has not only been co-worker, she has also been a friend and a sister to all of us. In addition to that, Steph is a very talented web designer, partner, relations coordinator, and office manager. See, the main point is she is leaving the organization. The workers, the colleagues of her feel it was a big loss to them and organization. The reasons are stated here. All of you see, I am holding the slide. The reasons are Steps has not only been a co-worker, she has also been a friend, a sister to all of us. In addition to that, Steph is a very talented web designer, partner, relations coordinator, and office manager. Because of these reasons, we say that her departure, her leaving will be very lost to us as well as the organization. One more examples to support the main point and reasons. Our current beautiful website was Steps work. Whatever the website we are using, a wonderful website is created by Steps work. Say Steps work. She was responsible for everything on the site, including the content. Everything is monitored. Everything is seen by her. Since creating the site, we have increased our number of website visitors and also the number of people donating to KF. Step has also done a fantastic job of building relationship with our partners that have resulted in the generous support of the partners in our missions. In addition to all these, she has been great at managing the office and keeping everything really organized. Really organized. Restate the main point to conclude. There are a few good things I could remember, I could say about her anyway. We are going to miss her tremendously. Miss you, my dear Step. To make our talk more organized, follow this PREP. Please, already we have discussed the 4 points. We have to keep 4 points in mind while preparing the short talk. So please, I want everyone, please keep these 4 points in your mind at the time of preparing short talks. Again, I am repeating you. State your point, give details that you support, reason, provide examples to make your point more clear. Examples, restate the main point once again. Point. Finally, use linkers, cohesive devices wherever necessary. It is necessary to make our short talk more logical and organized and effective way. Thank you very much. Thank you. For more information, see the textbook. If you have any doubt, please contact me. My email ID and mobile numbers are given here. Okay, thank you very much.